Hello, this is a short tutorial on how to search for physical books and ebooks in the library website. I'm on the library homepage here, library.seu.edu, and you'll see the main tabs here. There's a white bar that reflects which tab is active. So I'm going to click on the book search tab here and do a search for faith, or using faith as my keyword. On the following page, it's going to pull up all the results for that keyword, and this will include some articles as well. So I am going to want to check on the left-hand side here the filter just for books. And on the results, it will tell me if the book is available. It will tell me where it's shelved. There are also some useful tabs here, one for citing the book and the other for saving it in my own search history. If I actually click on the title of the book, there's another really useful feature. If you scroll down, it will actually display a virtual shelf. And so here's our book, and it's displaying the books as they would appear on the shelves upstairs. So I can see the books immediately to the right and immediately to the left if I click on the arrow there to the left. And so that's really useful if you find a book on the subject area that you need. The rest of the books in that subject area should also be in the same location. I'm going to go back to our main search, and this time I'm going to uncheck the book, and this time just check the ebook options. So if you're an online student, this is probably what you're going to want to do to find books that you can readily access. Here is a View ebook tab that will take me into this particular item. And you'll see that there's a PDF full text that I can open here and save. There's a full download, and it gives me a description here of the book. So that's fairly straightforward. I've got another tab open here of another kind of ebook that it looks a little differently. So this has opened up, and as you can see, there's no PDF. This one has two options. You can download the book or you can read it online. If you download the book, you will need to also download Adobe Editions. That is the software that checks the book out and will only allow you to read it for a certain period of time. I would encourage you to read the book online if you can, because that saves the book being checked out. But if you have to download it, please feel free to do that. Just make sure you have Adobe Editions as well. On this page, it will also list the chapter titles, so you can download just the chapter that you need if you need to do that, or just read online the chapter that you need. Thank you for listening. If you need any further help accessing books or ebooks from the library, on the library homepage, if you click on or hover over the About tab here, or the About drop-down menu, and click on the Contact Us page, it will open up to librarians, and it has phone numbers and email addresses. Feel free to contact us if you need help. Thank you.